Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. So today we're making something really special. We're making some cashew beef sauce. First things first, you have to roast your cashews and we will start by cutting our vegetables. For this recipe, all we need are just some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some carrots and onions, and it's really simple. I remember the first time I had this recipe was at a restaurant and I had to talk to the chef to just put me through this, and it was incredibly simple. This recipe is just a testament that simple ingredients that you have at home can create an amazing meal. So if you have some bell peppers, carrots, onions, and you have some cashews, then this recipe is for you. Don't mind the baby in the background. So after slicing your vegetables, you can slice them in different shapes, however you want, but I just wanted this shape of carrots. And after slicing them, we are going to prepare our sauce. If this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, my name is Cassandra and I am a certified nutrition coach. I'm also a new mom, and probably that's the reason why you haven't seen our long form videos. I've actually been uploading a lot of shorts. So if you haven't seen any of our YouTube shorts, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. Now, after slicing, we're going to add some tomatoes and red chili pepper and the toasted cashew nuts, add some water, and we're going to blend this because we want it to form like a puree or paste. After blending, this is what it looks like, really smooth. It has this vibrant color. And then we're going to make our slurry. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with some water. And after mixing this, you're going to set it aside. Now to the star of the show. In the pot, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil, add some salt, and we're going to use some beef. So we're going to fry this a little bit without adding any water. Add some onions, black pepper, and some nutmeg. Cover this and allow to cook for some time. After which you can add some red chili flakes if you want this to be a little bit spicy. Now for this recipe, the secret is onions. Add a lot of onions. Do not be stingy with it. Now go in with that paste that we've made with our cashews, and you're going to allow this to cook for some time, about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the kind of heat that you use. Now you're going to also add your seasoning. I'm using some garlic powder, some nutmeg, and red chili flakes. You're going to stir this and allow to cook for some time. After which we'll then add our slurry just to thicken it a little bit. Add a little bit of water. We want that smooth consistency. We don't want it to be too light or too thick. So we just want that perfect balance. After about 2 to 3 minutes, go in with your vegetables, our red bell pepper and green bell pepper, and also with our sliced carrots. This is so beautiful. I just love the colors. I love the green, the red, the orange, and even the mixture of our cashews and tomatoes and pepper. And this is what you get. Now, this recipe is something that will blow your family's mind away. It's perfect for rice, for pasta, for potatoes, for yam. So let me know in the comments what you would use this sauce to eat. You can also toss in some cashew nuts just for some garnishing at the end. And of course, this is what we have. So beautiful. This was so delicious. I had this with rice. I also had this with pasta, and it was really good. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would like to try out. And of course, since this is our first long video of the year, trust me to bring you amazing and tasty recipes to your screen. I'll see you in my next video.